Introduction. Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about machine learning. Machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence, AI, that allows computers to learn without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning algorithms are trained on data, and they learn to identify patterns and make predictions based on that data. Machine learning is a rapidly evolving field with the potential to revolutionize our lives in many ways. In recent years, we've seen incredible advances in machine learning, including the development of self-driving cars, virtual assistants, and facial recognition software. What is machine learning? Machine learning is a type of AI that allows computers to learn without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning algorithms are trained on data, and they learn to identify patterns and make predictions based on that data. There are two main types of machine learning: supervised learning and unsupervised learning. Supervised learning is a type of machine learning where the algorithm is given labeled data. The labeled data tells the algorithm what the correct output should be for a given input. For example, a supervised learning algorithm could be trained on a data set of images of cats and dogs. The labeled data would tell the algorithm that the image of a cat should be labeled cat, and the image of a dog should be labeled dog. Unsupervised learning is a type of machine learning where the algorithm is not given labeled data. The algorithm is left to find patterns in the data on its own. For example, an unsupervised learning algorithm could be used to cluster a data set of customer data into different groups based on their purchasing behavior. The algorithm would find patterns in the data that distinguish between the different groups of customers. The potential of machine learning. The potential of machine learning is truly limitless. Machine learning has the potential to automate tasks that are currently performed by humans, freeing up our time for more creative and fulfilling pursuits. Improve healthcare by providing personalized treatment plans and diagnosing diseases earlier. Solve complex problems such as climate change and poverty. Create new forms of art and entertainment that are beyond our current imagination. The potential benefits of machine learning are vast and exciting. However, it's important to remember that machine learning is a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or for evil. The challenges of machine learning. One of the biggest challenges facing machine learning is the potential for bias. Machine learning algorithms are trained on data that is often biased, reflecting the prejudices and biases of human society. This can lead to machine learning systems perpetuating discrimination in areas such as hiring, lending, and criminal justice. Another challenge facing machine learning is the potential for misuse. Machine learning could be used to develop autonomous weapons that could kill without human intervention. Machine learning could also be used to manipulate information, control infrastructure, and even start wars. Ensuring the responsible development of machine learning. It's essential that we address these challenges in order to ensure that machine learning is used for good. We need to develop machine learning systems that are fair and unbiased, and we need to establish clear guidelines and regulations for the development and use of machine learning. We also need to have an open and informed discussion about the ethical implications of machine learning. We need to foster public awareness and engagement in shaping the future of this powerful technology. Conclusion. The future of machine learning is a bright one, but it's also a challenging one. We need to be mindful of the potential risks of machine learning, but we also need to be excited about the potential benefits. By working together, we can ensure that machine learning is a force for good in the world. Call to action. If you're interested in learning more about machine learning, there are a number of things you can do. Read about machine learning research. There are a number of great resources available online and in libraries. Talk to experts in the field of machine learning. They can give you a first-hand perspective on the latest developments. Get involved in the conversation about the ethical implications of machine learning. Your voice matters. By taking these steps, you can help to shape the future of machine learning and ensure that it is used for good.